WATE 6 on your side legal analyst Greg Isaacs is with us now to talk about how COVID-19 is hitting the court system. Thank you for being here.
Lori, it's good to be here.
Glad you had time to come in. It's been a busy day. Yesterday, the state Supreme Court issued an order to stop jury trials as of Monday. We've reported this before during the pandemic. This happened earlier in the year. How did this affect the court system?
In March of this year, the Supreme Court issued the first order shutting down the court system, eliminating jury trials, eliminating in-person court appearances unless you were in jail in Sessions Court. It literally created legal chaos.
I imagine there's a backlog.
There is. So the irony now that the Supreme Court's order that went down last night once again eliminated jury trials from November 24th, Monday, until January 31st next year. The people that were in jail, now it impacts the people in jail, the accused, but also the victim that wants to be heard, the victim that wants their rights that they have under the Tennessee Constitution. You know, all these cases were getting back up, getting ready to be tried, and now it's shut down again.
Let's talk about the safety issue, though, and why the Supreme Court felt the need to do this.
In the order, they say that it came to their attention that lawyers, litigants, and judges were not complying with the court's order to wear a mask at all times. It had come to their attention that litigants, lawyers, or judges had come to court with COVID. So they weren't happy. So what did the order say? No jury trials until next year, January 31st.
We're just going to stop them altogether.
Got to wear your mask. If you do have COVID, you are prohibited from going anywhere near a courthouse. You are required to comply with the CDC guidelines and go from there. Also, when we did do this, I call it experiments, try cases. Lori, it was surreal. You have jurors spread out all over a courtroom 6 feet apart. You have people wearing masks. You have plexiglass. Hard to hear what people are saying.
Right, and see their facial expressions. I mean, I know safety is paramount, but that's part of trying a case.
Well, when you're going after a witness, or you want to see their inflection, or are you being serious, or you're picking a jury, you want to see how they react to your questions, and you see basically 25% of their face. Let me tell you, it's very difficult to read people. It's difficult from an auditory perspective. You can't hear what we're saying.
Very quickly, we're almost out of time, but what about the constitutionality or unconstitutionality of this?
Well, speedy trial. People in jail are screaming, I want my right to a speedy trial. But you have to look at the constitutional analysis, the length of the delay, which is getting significant, the reason for the delay, which is, in this case, outside everyone's control and basically in everyone's best interest. And did you demand a speedy trial, and were you prejudiced? So, you know, ironically, if you scream for a speedy trial and you get out and have one during the pandemic, it may not work to your benefit because it's a very unorthodox process. 12 people crammed in a jury room deliberating may not give it their fullest and fairest attention.
All right, we'll wait till January.
See you then.
If you have a question for Greg, just send an email to askisaacs@wate.com. And be sure to tune in to WATE 6 on your side news at 5:30 every Wednesday to see if he answers any of your legal questions.